Hello, it's Icy and I'm back again with another Windows Phone 10 video. If you'd like to see any of my previous videos, please click the link in the corner. So today I am talking about how to use the Project My Screen app with Windows Phone 10. More specifically with a Windows Phone that has a USB-C connector. It wouldn't work. It just flat out wouldn't work. And I couldn't work out why. There is a bug with this app which you can fix by totally removing your phone's drivers and letting it redetect, which is what I had to do with my previous phone, the Lumia 1020, before I could get the Project My Screen app to work. That didn't work at all with the Lumia 950, which is my new phone. 2 days of Googling produced no apparent answer. And most responses were either, the few that you could find, it's not a common phone yet, were either, it totally doesn't work for me, can anybody help? And a handful of people who went, no, it works for me, I had no problems, I just plugged it in. So I couldn't work out what was going on. Finally, I ran across a Windows forum answer that said you have to plug it in to a USB 2 port. Now, it's a USB 3 phone, so of course I hadn't done that. However, yeah, if you plug it into a USB 2 port, or failing that, into a USB 2 hub, what you'll find is rather than the blank screen that you can see now and no corresponding permission request on the phone, you will get, when you plug it in, should have tested this, pop-up message, was a bit slow, saying allow screen projection, the same as a Windows 8.1 phone, and when you hit yes, voila, you have your Windows Phone 10. So I hope you found this useful, especially if you have a new Windows Phone 10 using a USB-C connector. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or anything else you'd like me to let you know about. And thanks for watching. Talk to you next time. Bye.